Hello guys, it's your girl Adeyemo Kehinde. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove TikTok watermark from your downloaded TikTok video. So guys, let's dive into the video. So the first thing is to come to your TikTok account like this. Then you click on the video you wish to download and also remove the watermark. So let me click on the first video. So the next thing you want to do here is click on these three lines. So once you click on the three lines, it will take you here. So just click on copy link. Let's click on copy link. So after copying your link like this, then the next thing is to leave your TikTok account, then go to your Chrome browser. Just go to your Chrome browser and just simply type snaptik.com. So now let's click on it. So a page like this will open up. So the next thing you will do here is to paste the TikTok link that you copied, is to paste it inside this white column. So let's do that quickly. So just paste the link. After pasting the link, the next thing you want to do is to click on download. You can see the download button right here. So click on the download. So a page like this will display. Just scroll up, you can see, click on download button again. So just click on this first download, click on this, so you can see, just click on file downloading, open. So let's see what we have here. Our video has been downloaded already. Let's see what we have here, guys. You can see the beautiful thing is that this video does not have any TikTok watermark on it, so I can post it on any social media of my choice that I choose to post it without worrying about the watermark of TikTok displaying on my video anymore. And the beautiful thing is you can simply go to your phone gallery to also see the video you just downloaded right now. So let me just go to my phone gallery. Let me go to download, so you can see the video is also in my gallery. So this is all, guys, on how to download your TikTok video without any watermark at all. Thank you so much, guys, for staying true to the end of this video, and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. I remain your girl Adeyemo Kehinde. See you all in my next video. Bye for now.